In this episode, learn how you can get rewarded for doing something good.
Garbage. And have the chance to win back your Crownland Camping Pass.
You ready?
Man, such beautiful areas and garbage. The last Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo, we had a YouTubers conference, and at that YouTubers conference, it was really cool because we got together and started coming up with ideas on, how we can keep our backcountry kind of clean. For the most part, the people that I always see out there, they're very cognizant of the fact that we got to keep this area clean so we don't get it cut off to us. So we don't get trails shut down, campgrounds shut down, different like beautiful areas like this. This is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. It doesn't get close to it. Now Voyager Overland, Mitch, he came up with a great idea. He's like, well, why don't we come up with the idea of reimbursing someone's Crownland Camping Pass to them, and they submit pictures of them picking up the backcountry.
Is to reward people who clean up campsites like many of us do by reimbursing you a $70 cash fee for your Crownland Camping Pass this year. All you have to do is submit a little bit of video, some pictures of cleaning up a camp spot, cleaning up the backcountry.
So I thought that was a great idea. I said, Mitch, I'm all in. So we are now announcing that if you take some photos and submit them of you cleaning up some garbage, you can get put into a draw to win your Crownland Camping Pass back. So Mitch is going to donate a Crownland Camping Pass, and myself, Jason with Overland Alberta, we're also going to do a Crownland Camping Pass reimbursement as well. So this is going to be cool. Here's the details. Okay, so here's the details. Submit the following information via email, and I'm going to put it on the bottom of the screen here: backcountrycleanup@gmail.com. Picture or a video of yourself cleaning up some garbage. And you're also going to need a picture of a valid Crownland Camping Pass. Now, block out that information. We don't need that information, not an issue there. We just want to show or have proof that you've paid for a Crownland Camping Pass. And then basically the prize winners will be contacted via email. Now the draw is going to be at the next Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. That's in late June 2025. Basically the prize winners will be contacted via email, and you'll get a reimbursement of your Crownland Camping Pass. And yeah, one from me, one from Voyager Overland, Mitch. I think it's a great idea. It really encourages people to kind of get out and appreciate this land. I think it's amazing. I'm all in. And every submission that you submit into the email address gets you entered into the draw. So it's fall now. We're going to go through winter. The expo happens in June of 2025. So lots of opportunity to get out there, enjoy this beautiful area, and also clean up and have the chance to win back your Crownland Camping Pass. Speaking of which, tickets are live for the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo 2025 in June. Here's the date, right here. Make sure you hop on, get your tickets. Vendor booths are open, tickets for coming are open. I'm excited. This year's going to be pretty amazing. So I can't wait to see you guys in 2025 at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. I'll see you there.